Sorkar Jylla kala Plie ke Jingkieng tamsait nak mentai ki kali banyak Plie Arliang. Ya kaba kila khang mynta la katto katne bnai, ban maramot ya kaden hakane ke jaka. Hakar khandai tarik Naitung Sorkar kala pynbna paidbah, bah kala long banyak kali Plie Arliang, ban hiar ban kiew, nakane ke Jingkieng naduh kalai pho tarik Naitung. Tangba la shah ki kali kit mata tang hapo saw metrik ton, ban iaid ya kane ke Jingkieng. Mentri ki Pynmih Bording Elektrik, T Mondal ula pynbna kani karai, hadin ka Jylla pat ki hea ka sorkar Jylla, bahkan thop yu Symbud Myntri Rangbah, Prestone Tyngsong, Chief Secretary bat ki start sayan na Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, kila yo ke report bahkan ke Jingkieng kala abyang banyat ki kali basting, jingket bat ki kali red.
High Power Committee for the Umiam Dam and Bridge has sat under the chairmanship of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tyngsong, were also present the Chief Secretary, the DGP, District Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, then the officials from PWD, MECL, and also our consultant from IIT. We had a threadbare discussions, and after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways, and this will be only restricted to, as per the earlier order, restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umiam Bridge is concerned. Restrict, we will relax little bit, but after the foolproof barrier is in place. Within 1 week time.